Halloween activity is pumpkin and hat. So we will be making this. It's a craft activity. So we need some sheets. So the material required is few paper of black or orange or green. Okay. And a white paper. So if you don't have, it's okay. You can use any color. Otherwise, we will use black and green for the bat and black and orange for the pumpkin. Okay, so we will be first making the bat. So I'm taking out the black and green paper. Okay, so this is the activity for today.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just keeping the paper horizontal, and we'll draw the bat first. So you can draw the size as much as you. I will keep it vertical like this. Okay, and so now we will make the bat. So this is the face of the bat, and these are the ears. So make it little big. Don't make it too small. And this is the wings. So from here, I'll make another ear. And then I'll make another wing. So wing is little round and high. It is pointy from the corners and then the triangle shape. Okay. Okay. So then from here, we will just bring it down a little, and then 1, 2, and 3. And then just below this, we'll get a circle shape. So the circle shape will start from the ear. So this is the face of the bat starting from here. So just below this, we will start the, so you can just make it like this. Make it little small. And from here, you have to give it a little round shape for the face. Just make it little round by an idea till here. Okay, just below this point, just see where your semicircle is going. Like this. Okay, and then you have to just make a curve down and another curve and another triangle like this. Okay. So I hope it is clear and everybody can see it. Okay, So just draw this, then we will do the cutting. So people who have not drawn, please draw it, then we will cut it. Just make it little small so that it comes into the proper shape. Yeah. Now this is okay. Hello, Ilma, you are done? No? Okay, I'll wait. Okay, so everybody please draw this and then we are going to cut it. Then the same we will be cutting with the black paper. Okay, so please hurry up. I'll wait for another 2 minutes. Please try to do it fast. So you have to make 2 ears and this is the face, round face, and these are the wings of the bat. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it now. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the chat box. Just try to cut it neatly. This is almost done. And then now we'll take the black chart paper and we will trace the same bat. Okay. So this is the bat. I have done the cutting. How to draw the bat? Okay, I will tell once more because of people who have joined late. So I'm just repeating it once again. Please see carefully, pay attention. So in the center, just make the forehead and make the ears like this. Then make the ear here, another. And then from here, make the wings, little curved and high. Then from here, come down. So same way. On the other side, just make it high and bring the line down. Then just give a curve, 1 and 2. So you can give as many curve as you want depending upon the size. So this is the face. Okay, so the face will start from here. So you can just give a round curve from here till the ear, another ear. So just like this. Then again, make the curve for the wings and join it. So this is how you have to draw the bat. Okay. So after you are done with the drawing, just do the cutting as I have done for the green paper. Do the cutting. Okay. Then we have to draw the same bat here. Okay. In the black sheet. So I'm just tracing it. So just trace it and you have to cut it little short. Just trace the bat on the black sheet. If you don't have, or if you have only one sheet, then it's okay. You can just use whatever you have. And now just you have to cut it little short, little shorter than the line which you have made. Okay, because we have to just paste the black one on top of the green one like this. So the green border should be visible. Okay, so this was my line. I'm just cutting it little bit inside, little shorter than the line. Okay. People who want to see the drawing, they can see from here. At that time, I'm cutting the bag. So you have to make sure that you are just cutting it little bit inside the line, okay? So the black one should be little shorter than the green one. So now let me see if it is fitting on top of the green. See, now I can see the green boundary as well, right? So this is the proper cutting. So you can just flip it so that these pencil marks are not visible. So just take the back side and flip this one as well. So it will fit like this, right? So I just flip the both so that the pencil mark are not visible. So just flip it and keep it like this. So you have to stick it with the glue. And now we need so I can just make a mark here along the wings. So we just need to cut that part. So this much part we need to cut. Okay, and on the other side as well. For black, not for green. Okay. I'm just going to cut this. Just fold it and make a cut inside, and then just cut it properly. If you want, you can leave this part. If you are finding it little hard, then you can skip this part. Okay. Otherwise, it will be better. You can cut it with the cutter. Yeah, so this was my cutting, so it will be visible like this. Okay. Just again cutting the second one, just fold it a little bit and make a cut. Okay, so now this is ready. Now I'm going to cut the orange part, and then we are done. Then we will be doing the sticking part. Okay, so just take the orange sheet and make the ears. Just make very small ears. So I'll just make the ears like this, slanting and little round. So here the another ear is slanting and little round like this. Not like this. Actually, from the bottom it will be flat. So it will be like this. Okay. So these are the ears and mouth. Mouth I will draw So this is the size of the mouth. Okay. So I'll just make a mark. So inside this only I have to draw. So I will just draw here the mouth. These are the teeth. And this is the okay. So some people are still cutting, that's okay. So you can just draw the ears and the mouth and cut it. I will wait. Okay. So for this I'm using the orange sheet. If you don't have orange sheet, you can use white sheet also, or you can do the same thing with the green sheet as well. So this ear will come here. So this was my back for the base, and this is the top, and this ear will come here. And another ear. I'll just quickly cut it. So you need to be hurry up, otherwise you will not be able to make the pumpkin. Okay. So you can just flip them so that the pencil marks are not visible. That's absolutely fine. So now I'm just going to cut the mouth. Okay. So this is how it looks. See, so I'm just going to stick everything. So I'm just waiting for you guys. This is the drawing and this is the back. So please complete it so that we will move on to the another activity. Okay. Okay. If you don't have googly eyes, you can make it with the white paper and sketch pen. Okay. So just erase the pencil mark on this black part. So I'll just stick it with the Fevicol. Yeah, if you don't have googly eyes, you can make it with the white paper. Just cut 2 circles and make the small black circle in the center. So I'm just applying the glue all over the black part And now when you are sticking, you have to be little careful that it is placed properly. Okay, so like this. Just press it. Yeah, now it is fine. Okay, so now I'm just placing the googly eyes. Like this. So this is the mouth. So mouth should be in the center. Okay. And the ears. This is the ears. You should have been at the back. So you have to be careful on which side you have to apply the glue. Okay. So this is our bat. So you can punch it here, make a circle hole, and you can put a thread also for hanging. So that is how you can do the Halloween decoration at your home. Okay, so this is our bat, and this was the size. Oh, I just flipped it. So that's okay. So this was the drawing, and this was the bat. So I'll just wait for 5 minutes. Then we will start with the pumpkin. Pumpkin is quite easy. Shall I start with the another activity? Okay, Atharv is saying yes. No. Okay, Kimaya Jain is saying no. Okay, I will wait for 5 minutes. Okay. Okay.
Should I start जैसे यहाँ फूल अच्छे लगते हैं अरे और उसके लिए तो क्या की कोई सर्वे है ना
Okay, Vaibhav is saying he came just now. That's okay, Vaibhav. So you can do it later after watching the video. Video will be there. So we will start with this activity now. So we will be making this pumpkin now. So the same way we have to cut two paper. One is black and one is orange. Okay, so Ilma is showing me. Ilma, wow. Okay, good, good, good. Good job. Oh, you are also done, Nagamjot. Wow, nice. Beautiful. Lovely. Amazing. Kimaya Jan, very good. Riyansh Jan, amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let's start with the pumpkin now. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I will start now pumpkin. Okay, let's keep this aside. If you want, you can just put a thread here and you can hang it. Okay, you can just put a thread and hang it and do the decoration. Otherwise, you can just put a double tape and put it on your main door. And you can just write trick or treat when somebody comes to your house for the Halloween treat. Okay, so Halloween is on 31st October. Okay, so now I have orange and black paper. So we are making this pumpkin. So first we will do the cutting of the black and then the orange one. Okay. So I'm making a pumpkin here on the black. So it's very simple and easy. So this is the stem. You can make it as big as you want. I'm just making it this size. Okay, so you can just make the pumpkin like this. And just cut it. Okay, so this was the cutting. Just erase the pencil mark. Okay. The same thing. Just need to cut on the. Okay, if you don't have black color paper, that's fine. You can use white. Okay, you can use white or green. So generally the black and orange looks more spooky and it looks very scary. That's why the Halloween colors are black and orange and green. If you don't have, you can use white. Okay. So I'm just going to draw the same thing again on the orange one, and the orange you have to cut little shorter. Okay. Just make the pencil mark, trace it on the orange sheet. But while cutting, just cut little smaller, the way we have done for the bat. How to draw the pumpkin? Okay, I'll tell you. The pumpkin is very easy. So this is how you have to draw the pumpkin. So start from the stem. And then from here, just lift it up and make it like this on one side. Then just on the another side, same thing you have to repeat it. Okay. So pumpkins are little wide and flat from the bottom. Yeah. So you can just join these two. Okay. Like this. So this is the pumpkin. Okay. Oh, Nitya Jain is showing. Yeah. Very nice, Nitya. You're done with your bat. Good. So now I'm cutting it little shorter. Circle is not coming correctly. How to draw the pumpkin? So see, there is no circle. So this is like a. So we can't draw it with the circle. We have to draw it with free hand only. Okay. So this is not round actually. If you will see, pumpkin is little wide and little flat from the bottom. Yeah, Agamjot, it's fine. Yours is good. Okay. So just cut it little short. Shorter than the line. So inside the line you have to cut. Just cut, 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 cut. Yeah. So this is done. Now just place it and see if the cutting is proper. Okay. Just cutting the orange. Yeah. Okay. So now we have to cut the mouth, nose, and eyes. Okay. So on the black chart paper, black sheet, I'm making the mouth, nose, and eyes. We can cut this also as well, but I'm not cutting it. So I'll just take the black paper and make the eyes. Okay, so these are the, we have to draw it little big. Okay, so just draw the eyes little big so that it look little scary. So these are the eyes. and nose. Nose is like a triangle. Eyes are like semicircle. Nose and now the mouth. So these are two teeth. And then this is the bottom teeth. Yeah. Okay, so this is how we have to make the eyes, nose, and mouth. Just cut the mouth. Okay, I'll wait. So I'm just cutting the mouth, eyes and nose. So this is the mouth. How to draw the eyes, nose, and mouth. Okay, I will repeat it. Just give me a minute. Let me finish the cutting. I'll tell you how. So these are the eyes, nose, and mouth. We are going to stick it. So I'll show you how to draw again. Please concentrate. Okay. So how will we draw the eyes? So eyes are like semicircle. Okay. So you can just make it round also, little slightly, or you can keep it straight. So this is the eye. Nose is like a triangle. So just make it like this. And the mouth. How is the mouth? Mouth is like this. Then one teeth. Then another teeth like this. And just going up. And then the one bottom teeth like this. So from here also it is just coming down and joining. So this is how you have to draw the mouth. Okay. So this is the drawing of pumpkin and bat. So I have to just stick it, and because I had only one pair of googly eyes, so I will cut the white paper and make the eyes. So for the eyes, you can just draw 2 circles, small, which will fit into your semicircle. Just make 2 circles. Okay, and cut it. Okay, so it is fitting into this. And one more. So if you want to make both equal, so you can just fold the paper and cut it together. So both the circles will come together equal size. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to stick it, and the eyes I'm going to color with the sketch pen, the center part. Just make a big round ball in the center. Like this. Okay, Ilma, yes. You are already done. Yeah, you did the cutting inside. Yes, yes. Okay, good. That is nice. I'm just sticking it. Just take the glue and apply it in the corners. Little inside the corners. If you will apply at the corner, then the glue comes out. Okay. So just apply it little inside and just paste it carefully. Yeah, remove the wrinkles. Done. Now, eyes. Center of the eye. Nose. And mouth. And our pumpkin is ready. Yay. So if you want, you can just punch a hole here and you can hang it like this. Okay. Or you can paste it on your main door to scare people who are coming to trick you on the Halloween. Yeah, it's looking scary. Yes. So we are done with the bat and the pumpkin. So this was the Halloween activity. Hope you have enjoyed. Agam Jyot, yes. Nice. Nice. Good. Okay. So I'll put you guys on unmute for 5 minutes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how to decorate the bat's ears and mouth and wings?
Huh?
How to do the bat's ear, mouth,
How
and
to
wings?
do that?
Ma'am, I have not
Okay, I think
complete. Ma'am.
how we have bat. Okay. So make the forehead, then the 2 ears
I got that.
and
But
wings.
how to make the yellow, orange part? Yes.
Orange part.
Yes, ma'am.
Orange part I have done with the orange paper. So you can just draw it like this. See the triangle and semicircle kind of, and flat at the bottom.
Can you see?
So this one, straight line and triangle like this. This is the orange part. Okay.
Ma'am, see my bat and the pumpkin.
So these are the eyes and mouth I will draw. Yes, I will check for everybody.
Ma'am, whoever will come for trick or treating will be very scared at seeing my door.
Yeah, yes. Oh my God.
Nancy.
Himaya Jan, wonderful. Yes, lovely. Beautiful. Even I'm scared to see your pumpkin and bat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good job. So whoever want to show, please show. Then we will move to the
Why we game started at 2:30?
Beta, it started at 2 o'clock today because I feel half an hour was less and we were just watching. So, we'll keep the session for 1 hour.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, I didn't know.
Yes,
Ma'am.
you didn't check the message, beta. That's okay. You can check the video. Yes, Ilma. Yes,
Ma'am, I
nice. Good job.
Ma'am, I wasn't able to make the bat, ma'am. I was able to make the pumpkin only.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, please show pumpkin one more time.
You didn't understand. Why you were not able to make the bat? You joined late.
I came late, ma'am. Ma'am, I came late. I thought it was again on 2:30, and then I came and saw that on 2 o'clock.
That's okay. Both are from Halloween, so bat is also okay, right? You need at least one thing. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. And for
That's
the bat, I don't even have black colored paper, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay, yeah. So it's just scaring everybody too. Okay, so I'll just wait for you guys, whoever have not completed. So then we will move on to the second session. Okay, so second session is monster. So this is a doodle art. So we will make this.
What?
Sai Madhushiri, show me. Yes. Oh my God, such a scary pumpkin. Lovely, beautiful. Good job. Welcome. Pranshi done?
Ma'am, I have done the bat only. The pumpkin is left.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Fine.
I just have to stick the pumpkin.